in Bangkok right now. Right, just left from Phuket with a 1-hour flight only. Went to the city. Now I'm back at the airport, as you see, because the big moment has come. Finally, we get to see each other. Me and Larissa will finally meet after 7 weeks of not seeing each other. It's gonna be the big reunion here. So I was thinking of filming that moment with all the hugs and kisses and tears, whatever will happen. But I really want to enjoy this moment and Larissa as well. So yeah, hi Larissa. How was your flight?
Very good.
So yeah, that's my travel buddy for the next 3 weeks. She'll be in the vlogs as well. After Bangkok and Krabi, we arrived now in Koh Phi Phi yesterday, and we are about to go on a very cultural boat trip they recommended to us. Yeah, we're gonna show you what's gonna be there.
Hello.
It's not a picture, it's a video.
I know that's why I said hello.
Are you a good swimmer? What's your name? Rory. He is not a good swimmer. Yeah, you see, it's as cultural as the History Channel. But then sunset is good. Larissa, was it a good idea to take a ferry for 4 hours on New Year's Eve?
It's a really bad day.
Yeah, but the sunset was good. What do you think?